Hi and welcome to a Ruko video. This video will be an unboxing video just like those Jason make all the time. So let me go through a big typical order from the wholesale, and you can see what items that I buy to always keep in stock to work with typical residential and light commercial doors in Denmark. So let me get into it. Night latches. The most useful lock that we use for old doors, and also as an extra lock. And these are the D12 versions, so they come with the oval, and then it comes with 3 keys and the green code tag. So and then the night latch and the screw set and the cup and the strike. So I got 6 of those. That should last for a while. Then I got 4 bags of these, a total of 200 of these. These are Ruko 600 RBs. They are the upgrade to the regular BTs, and I made videos about this. So yeah, those are the keys that I use the most of. So I ordered 200 blanks. Then these old rounders, they seem to never go away, so just 10 of those. And yeah, sadly I still need to install those. I wish they would have been phased out by now, but sadly that's not the case. Then these ones, the raised cover plates for the night latches for those thin doors that are typical in Denmark, where they were designed to work with the 5-pin but not with the 6-pin. So yeah, these are important to always have as many of these as the night latches, so never run out of those. And then I bought 100 of these cheap JMA 6-pin. These are the regular VT profiles, so yeah, there's just Ruko 6 pins. So yeah, still copy a lot of those, but again, I do prefer the 600 RB to these, but 100 should last a while. So and next, a box of these. Tape. 25 regular 600 RB ovals, so yeah, should last a while. So but in case I need to use more of my D12s, I actually got a bag of multi-purpose D12 cores with the regular end, so I can make all kinds of ovals and padlocks and everything with these. Let's see if I have one here. Yeah. These are the typical ovals that you get for the D12, and they come with this special tailpiece that only works with the modular lock set. So if I need to make a cylinder for a night latch or something, I can't use the core from this one. So that's why I order these cores to use. So, and what else is in here? think that it's for this order, but yeah, see you in the next video.